Imagine you're diving into a complex problem involving Fortran and Xlib. The challenge at hand is figuring out why a simple C code runs smoothly, while the equivalent Fortran code encounters issues. The heart of the problem lies in how Fortran handles strings compared to C, leading to unexpected behavior and headaches for the programmer. Now, let's delve into the solution that can untangle this web of confusion. By tweaking the interface in the Xlib module and being mindful of Fortran string nuances, we can pave the way for a smoother interaction with Xlib functions. The key adjustment involves explicitly defining the string length in the function interface, bridging the gap between Fortran and C string handling. Building upon the initial modification, the next step in resolving the Fortran C conundrum is in how we call the Xlib function. By concatenating an empty string with a null character placeholder, we ensure that the function receives the string length information it expects, eliminating miscommunications and potential pitfalls. In summary, tackling the Fortran and Xlib compatibility hiccup requires attention to detail and a nuanced understanding of each language's quirks. By aligning the function interface with Fortran string handling methodology and crafting calls that meet C's expectations, you can navigate the intricacies of porting legacy code with finesse. And with that, it's time to bid adieu. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!